Hi, and welcome to our service. My name is Richard, and I'm here to do my very best to help you through this setup guide and to get your search engine advertising started. First of all, a big congratulations for moving your business one step closer to better visibility online. Before we get started, I would like to share some information and some advice that I think may help you along the way. Our system will help you get more visitors to your website by automatically managing your ads on the search engines. However, as we all know, every single visitor won't turn into a paying customer. Fortunately, our service helps you optimize your ads to not only get as many visitors as possible, but more importantly, get as many relevant visitors to your website as possible. Achieving a great amount of relevant traffic to your website is not everything though. In order to turn the visitors into customers, you need to have a website that clearly states what you do, how your visitors can get in touch, and what you would like the visitors to do when they visit your website. So, once again, welcome to our service and thank you for letting us be part of your growing business. Now, let's get started, shall we? The daily budget is the amount of money you're willing to spend per day on your search engine advertising. The daily budget can be changed whenever you wish to. However, we strongly recommend to not change it too frequently, too often. The system needs some time in order to optimize the campaigns, optimize your advertising towards the new daily budget. So we don't recommend you to change it more than maybe once or twice per week if you have to. But feel free to do whatever changes as you like. Where do you want your ads to be shown? This means where geographically do you want the people who will see your ad to be located? Here you can choose if it's just your city or if it's the closest cities in your region. You can also choose by county, countries. Keep in mind, the bigger region you go, automatically all the smaller region within that region will be selected. So for example, if you choose one country, all cities within that country will be automatically selected. And here, just try to think about where is my customer located and choose that region. Best of luck. Your ad. Okay, so when writing your ad, it is important that you clearly state what you offer. It is important that you clearly state why the client or the customer should do business with you. And third, keep the ad closely related to the keywords that you have chosen. If you want some further inspiration or look at examples how other businesses are expressing themselves when they advertise on search engines, go ahead, do some searches on keywords that might be relevant for your business to see how your competitors are expressing themselves. You can also choose to do some searching on keywords that might not be as relevant for you, just to get an idea how people are expressing themselves while advertising on search engines. I'm sure you will find inspiration and write a great ad. So let's talk about multiple ads. Multiple ads will enable you to write up to 4 different ads and connect them each to different types of keywords. This is a great way to be more specific in your ad and to get more relevant traffic to your website. So for example, if you're a hairdresser, you can write one ad talking about the women's haircut. You can have one ad talking about the men's haircut. The keywords that are talking and focusing on the men haircut will be connected to the men haircut ad. The keywords that are talking and focusing on the women's haircut will be connected to the women's haircut ad. By using multiple ads, you therefore will increase the chances of getting more out of your daily budget to get more relevant visitors to your website. Keywords, keywords, keywords. Keywords are a super important part of advertising on search engines. So when you choose your keywords, it tells the search engine when you want your ad to be shown. Meaning, if you are a hairdresser, you can choose keywords such as hairdresser, women's haircut, men's haircut, drop-in haircut. Keywords that are closely related to your business. There are other keywords that might be related to your business, but that doesn't mean that you should choose them as your keywords. For example, the same hairdresser might avoid keywords like blonde, short, scissors, because when people are searching for scissors, it's probably not as likely that they will book an appointment as people searching for a women's haircut. So when you choose your keywords, just keep in mind to keep them as closely related to your business as possible, since they will tell the search engine when you want your ad to be shown. Where do you want this ad to point? Meaning, where do you want the visitors, the people clicking on your ad, where do you want them to end up? It could either be on your homepage, it can be on a special offers page. Where on your website do you want them to end up? Keep in mind though that it's super important that your visitors get that information that they are looking for immediately when they reaches your site. So they don't have to look around on your website in order to find what they came to look for. So be as specific as possible. There are different kinds of ad extensions that you can use. One of them is focusing on phone number. If you're in a business that gets a lot of customers and have a lot of interaction with the customer over phone, we strongly recommend you to use this ad extension. The ad extension simply enables you to add your phone number directly into your ad. This means that people who searches on their smartphones and get to see your ad, they can simply call you directly from their phone without accessing your website. So we strongly and highly recommend you to use the ad extension focusing on the phone number. As mentioned previously, there are different types of ad extensions. This one is called site links. Site links enables you to have specific links in your ad that links to specific parts of your website. Site links makes your ad bigger and hopefully better by showing these extra links. And the site links, they don't cost an extra. It's the same price as if you were not going to use them. However, Google is the one who's deciding if you will be able to show your site links in your ad or not. Therefore, it's not guaranteed that your site links will be visible all the time or anytime, if that's the case. It all depends if Google likes your ad, meaning if Google thinks you have a good and relevant ad. But it's a great tool to make your ad bigger and better, so we strongly recommend you to use it. So negative keywords is a great way to be more relevant with your ads. Negative keywords prevent your ad from being shown to people that are less likely to buy your product or your service, even though they searched on keywords that you have selected. And let me explain how this works. So sometimes keywords have different meanings or are not as relevant for your business, but they are still relevant for the field of work that you're in. So let's say we are a local golf store and we sell golf equipment, and we want to be visible when people are searching for golf. If people are searching for golf trips, however, that's not something that we're offering, so we don't want to be visible on those types of keywords. However, since we are using golf as a keyword in our advertising, our ad might very likely be shown when someone is searching for golf trip. In order to prevent this from happening, we can then put trip as a keyword, as a negative keyword. This will prevent our ad, from being shown when people are searching on golf trips. But it will enable our ad to be shown when people are searching for golf clubs or golf sets and so on. So negative keyword can be a great way to get more relevant traffic to your website. Best of luck. Okay, that's a wrap. Congratulations! You've just finished the setup guide, meaning your ads are now visible on the search engines. Great job! In the next step, you will find your dashboard from where you can manage and monitor your advertising. There are actually even some more guides like these where I'll try to show you how you can improve your advertising even a little bit further. So please go ahead, check it out, and once again, congratulations and best of luck.